We've now got awards for the highest wicket taker in domestic cricket. Can I request someone who's been a magnificent player, not just at that level, but everywhere, Mr. Ravichandran Ashwin, to give away the award, please. The Madhav Rao Scindia Award for the highest wicket taker in the Ranji Trophy in 23-24 in the plate group. A medal and a cash award of 2.5 lakhs. The award goes to Tanay Tyagarajan from Hyderabad. Mr. R. Devraj, the Honorary Secretary of the Hyderabad Cricket Association, will collect the award on his behalf. 56 wickets with 7 5-wicket hauls in 7 innings was a wonderful tournament for Tanay Tyagarajan. Now the Madhav Rao Scindia Award for the highest wicket taker in the Ranji Trophy in the elite group. A medal and a cash award of 2.5 lakhs. The award goes to R. Sai Kishore of Tamil Nadu. His wife Anmol Kiran will come and take the award. Well done. 53 wickets in 9 matches with 3 5-wicket hauls. Thanks, Ashwin. It's not the last we're seeing of you this evening. The batting awards. Can I request Rohit Sharma to come and give away the awards, please? The batting awards for the... We'll start with the Madhav Rao Scindia Award for the highest run getter in the Ranji Trophy in 23-24, Rohit, in the plate group. The award is a medal and a cash award of 2.5 lakhs. Representing Mizoram, Agni Chopra. 939 runs, ladies and gentlemen. 939 runs at 78.25 in just 6 matches. It's a wonderful record. 5 centuries, 3 50s, and a highest score of 166. Well done, Agni. Well played. He's got some support, I can see. Our next award is the Madhav Rao Scindia Award for the highest run getter in the Ranji Trophy in 23-24 in the elite group. A medal and a cash award of 2.5 lakhs. Representing Andhra Pradesh, Ricky Bhui. Ricky made 902 runs at an average of 75.17 in 8 matches. 4 centuries, 3 50s, and a highest score of 175. Thank you, Roy. Can I request Mr. Praptej Bhatia, who's the Honorary Treasurer of the BCCI, and someone who's perfect for this award, Mr. Hardik Pandya, to come up and give the award together. Hardik. Praptej Bhatia. This is the Lala Amarnath Award for the best all-rounder in domestic limited overs competitions. It's a medal and a cash award of 5 lakhs. And the award goes to Shashank Singh from Chhattisgarh. .450 runs and 11 wickets in 7 matches, 2 centuries, 1 5-wicket haul. Well done, Shashank. Thank you very much. Thanks, Hardik. Thank you, Mr. Bhatia. Now can I invite Mr. Ashish Shelar, Home Office Bearer of the BCCI, now gone on to bigger things. BCCI is also very big, yes. The Lala Amarnath Award for the best all-rounder in Ranji Trophy cricket 23-24. A medal and a cash award of 5 lakhs. Put your hands together. This is Tanush Kotian from Mumbai. 502 runs. 29 wickets in 10 matches, 1 century, 1 5-wicket haul. Well played, Tanush. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. For the next award, can I request Mr. Rajiv Shukla, Vice President of the BCCI, to present the award? And this is the best international debut men. A trophy and a cash award of 2 lakhs of rupees. I think it's a popular award. It goes to Sarfaraz Khan. .62 and 68 not out against England in his debut test at Rajkot. Well done, Sarfraz. He's done well to come here. He's a bit unwell, so well done. This is the Polly Umbriger Award for the best international cricketer men. Once again, a trophy and a cash award of 15 lakhs. It was a year to remember, and for those of us who were privileged enough to watch him perform, it was a year to remember as well. Put your hands together. Jasprit Bumrah. "77 wickets this year. 42 wickets in 8 matches from Test cricket. Thank you very much. Jasprit, I was going to read out your accomplishments this year, but your teammates obviously enjoyed you coming up here. 42 wickets from 8 matches in Test cricket, 20 wickets from 11 matches in ODIs, 15 from 8 matches in T20 cricket. Well done. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now coming to the final stage. 2 very, very special awards to 2 outstanding cricketers who've given their very, very best for the country, and of whom we are very proud to say they were Indian and won matches for India. 537 times in Test match cricket, he spun an opposition batter out. His web was intricate and deadly. The outcome most likely of deep calculation, as all of us know by now. Over the years, there was joy not just to watch him bowl, but to imagine all the intricacies behind it. You've had a fabulous career. Ashwin, I'll ask you to pause for just a minute. Can I request Mr. Devjit Saikia and Roger Binney to present the award once again, please? A special award to recognize and honor a very, very special cricketer. Ladies and gentlemen, Ravichandran Ashwin. Thank you very much. From a callow 16-year-old who had the world gaping at his ability, to a statesman who had a nation in tears at his retirement, this has been one of the most captivating journeys in sport. He's a proud Indian, and every Indian is proud of him. Just say in your minds the words, as I often say myself. Just close your eyes and say, 100 international hundreds. That is the player we're going to honor today. Take a look. To come up and present the award, please, the ICC chairman. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the man himself, Sachin Tendulkar. And for the next award, can I request Mr. Arun Singh Dhumal, IPL chairperson, to come up, please? We've got another big IPL coming shortly. And the award he's going to present is for the highest wickets in One Day Internationals 2023-24 in the women's category. Winner gets a medal and a check of 2 lakhs of rupees. The award goes to Deepti Sharma. How often does Deepti come up and take these awards? 6 matches, 13 wickets. Best of 5 for 38. Deepti Sharma. Well played. Thank you. Thank you. Sir Prabtej Bhatia, who's the honorary treasurer of the BCCI. And the award is the highest run getter in One Day Internationals 2023-24 for women. A medal and a cash award of 2 lakhs of rupees. The award goes to Smriti Mandhana. 406 runs in 5 matches. 2 centuries, 150, strike rate 102. Well played, Smriti. Thank you very much, Prabtej. Our next award is a very special award, our next two in fact, because they celebrate the best debuts. And for someone who made one of the most staggering debuts, it's appropriate that he presents the award. Mr. Sunil Gavaskar will present that award. And the award is for the best international debut women. A trophy and an award of 2 lakhs of rupees to Asha Shobana. In international cricket, who 4 for 21 on her ODI debut against South Africa in Bengaluru, and 2 for 18 in her T20I debut. Thank you. The only question for Asha Shobana is wherever you all these 2 big awards coming up. And can I request Mr. Devjit Saikia, the Honorary Secretary of the BCCI, and Mr. Roger Binney, President of the BCCI, to come up and give away the awards, please. This is a really big one. The best international cricketer women. A trophy and a cash award of 15 lakhs of rupees. This year, there was only one person who could get it. Put your hands together, Smriti Mandhana. 1,269 runs in 27 matches. 3 centuries. She got 304 in test matches, 406 in ODIs, 559 runs in T20Is. Well done, Smriti Mandhana. Our next presenter is Mr. Javagal Srinath, great fast bowler for India, now a match referee as well. And as match referees, they have a very close connect with the umpires. And so the award that Shri is going to give out is to the best umpire in domestic cricket in 2023-24, a trophy and a cash award of 1.5 lakhs. The award goes to Mr. Akshay Totre. Isn't it wonderful? His mother, Ms. Anjali Totre, is going to come and receive the award on his behalf. Congratulations, ma'am. Thanks, Shri. Thank you very much. The best performance in BCCI domestic cricket tournaments of 2023-24. The winner is the Mumbai Cricket Association. Mr. Ajinkya Naik, the president of the Mumbai Cricket Association. Winners of the Ranji Trophy, the Senior Women's T20 Trophy, the Vijay Merchant Trophy, the Women's Under-19 One-Day Trophy, runners-up in the Vinu Mankad Trophy, and the Cooch Bihar Trophy, the semi-finalists in the Colonel C.K. Naidu Trophy, and the Women's Under-15 One-Day Trophy. Well done. It's a glorious, proud, long tradition of Mumbai cricket, and it's good to see that the Mumbai Cricket Association is keeping that going.